Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, you need to access X-Theme app and click on Theme section at the bottom between Wallpapers and Discovery. Now click on one of those themes right away, select one of those options, or click on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to. Now you need to click on the best theme for you. Select download at the bottom and then hit apply. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default one, you can do that by accessing the same app, selecting themes again, and clicking on those three lines at the top left corner. Following that, click on My Themes at the top and tap on one of those default ones, like My Power. Then select Apply at the bottom and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!